Looking for a particular person and you know the department? Or maybe you know the department but can't remember the person's name? Try directory.uwec.edu. Open any browser, and if you have it set to open up to UWEC's homepage, you are one click closer. Double-click on the www in the URL and type directory. No need to type the entire URL. No need to delete first and then type. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. You can fill any of these blanks to start your search. Even the last four numbers in a telephone number works. My colleague uses his telephone to quickly find the correct number for an individual. On your phone, press the Directory button. Use the arrows to select Corporate Directory. Use the arrows again to reach the last name in area. Next, use the telephone keypad to select the letters. Okay, so I find this method of letter selection to be challenging. The back arrows between search and cancel allow you to delete a mistyped letter. For more assistance with your phone, try searching phone on the UWEC homepage. The knowledge base will provide you with many helpful articles on using your office phone efficiently. Work smarter.